diving service here at the Leopard on BT2. I have bagged and tightened the shaft sinks and removed the gap that was in between them on the first video. I have put on R4s because your other rudder anodes were worn. However, R4s are slightly too big, and I'm going to point out and show you why, because they hit the little rounded part with the strut, and so they don't make a good connection. I'll be back next week with R3s to replace them with the correct ones. The anodes you bought, the prop nuts, are the incorrect size. They're way too big. They don't fit. I'm going to show you that. I'm just going to take these and swap them out to bring the correct ones for you. That way they're there, and I'll note what they are so you can have them for your files. So let's take a look, starting with the starboard side at the rudder, the prop nut that's too big, the nut that I brought that does fit, and the tightened shaft sinks. Now over here on the port side, I'm going to show you, I had brought the smaller size from stock. See, this one I brought from my stock is a little bit smaller, but even it's a little bit too big. So I left your remnant back on. What size smaller than this will work, but I'm going to bring the correct ones next week. That way you'll have all the correct anodes you need. Thanks for choosing the